this is a Prestige girth. This is their donut girth. This was recommended for my horse by his chiropractor. I'm starting to see a lot more of them in the field in my area. They're probably going to the same chiropractor. Unfortunately, there's not a lot on the internet available as to how to fit them. So I'm going to show you what I've learnt about how to fit a Prestige girth. So this is model Matador, and Matador is Hackney Cross, and he has quite a big shoulder. So when I'm fitting the saddle on Matty, I can feel that his shoulder is about here. I'm wanting the saddle to sit back off his shoulder to allow free shoulder movement. So the girth points are further back to what you may be used to seeing, but that's the correct position for the saddle on this horse. So the way I start fitting this donut girth is we want this donut sitting in the middle of the chest. And I always take the girth completely off my horses and start afresh the next day and gradually girth. I won't put it on the highest girth point on one side from the day before. We start lower down and then gradually move up. There's a rim in the middle of the girth that I aim to be in the centre of the chest. Place it on his chest. Have a look where that point is in the middle. Start girthing in gradually. So the fantastic thing about these girths is there's no pressure on this most sensitive area here, which is where we put our calf muscles onto, here we put our calf muscles on to ask them to move. But the girth is not in contact with him at all in that area. And because of the position of the girth, because the donut allows this position, it allows some fantastic free shoulder movement. What it also means is that you're not putting pressure down on the front of the saddle while you're girthing. It allows more girthing from a centre point. So check that centre point again. We're good to go.